Can't control my fate, but I control all these emotions. I'm not broken, I'm not broken. Already cried my tears enough for an ocean. I've been in the cold rain on my parade. I'm still on my feet, stand tall like a mountain. I am undefeated, made for the game.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel for a new mock military video, today with the AV-8B Harrier 2 from United Kingdom. After I've seen many times the Harrier name comparing in the comments, messages and DMs, finally it's here. Many of you asked for this peculiar fighter, which is quite small compared to others, but still very difficult to design because it has many features and I tried to implement as many of them as possible, and in this video, as usual, I'll show you all of them, so before getting the instructions or the mock you can decide if you really like it or maybe not, and if not, why not. Let me know in the comments why you don't like my design. In this video I'll show you all the features and the moving parts. Before starting, the usual reminders: check the caption of the video to find all the useful links you may need to get the instructions, the parts, the full set. The full set of course has both instructions and parts, you don't need anything else. There are the playlists with my all other designs, so if you like this one you can check also the others, and if you like this one and my other designs, remember to leave a thumbs up. Now let's start saying this is one of the smallest aircraft fighter I ever designed. Here you can see all of them together. Again, caption the video, there are the playlist with all of them. Here you can see the little Harrier that, yeah, it's really small compared to the others, but yet a very complex design. Now, what you'll get in the mock? Of course, you have the basic aircraft that you can see here, plus some extra parts. The first one is the nose. You can choose this small nose solution that you can see here. It's the standard and maybe oldest one. Or you can remove it and replace the nose with the longer version of it. Okay? You have two possible solutions, while these other parts are covers, just in case you want to remove the gun pack you can see here. This one is an external gun pod, while here on the other side we have the ammunitions for it. These two are connected together by this part here. In case you want to remove this gun pod because you don't like it, well, both of them, you have to remove the whole gun pack here. You can replace these three parts with these covers. So here now you see it's not very cool to see, and you can cover everything up again like this. Okay. And one last thing before checking all the moving parts and the features: this aircraft will be available in two different camo. The light gray one and the dark gray one you can see here. Now in this case we have also some weapons already connected and a stand. For both the weapons and the stand you have them included with the aircraft. In case you choose the full set you have already some weapons included, plus there is a weapon pack that you can get separately if you want more weapons, while if you get only the instructions included with the aircraft you have my weapon pack with all the weapons I designed until now, that are many of them, and of course you can choose only the weapons you want or like most. And for this stand we have a free tutorial. Again, you can find it in the playlist, in the caption, or here in the right top corner. This one is released for free as a video tutorial. This aircraft, like the others, is in minifigure scale. It means you can place a minifigure inside that you can see here. You can open the cockpit cockpit this way, very simply. Now I know the real one opens differently, but this is a Lego mock, it's not a 3D model. I needed to find a compromise, and the final result looks better. So here we have the minifigure inside. As you can see, it's in minifigure size. We have some instruments for the aircraft, the seat, that it's very cool. And now we can close it. I'm really pleased of the final result. Here we have the refueling probe. It's needed for the air refueling that you can move in almost every direction. Now on the program it's a mess, while in real life it's much easier. And in fact here we have a prototype. As you can see, we have the prototype of the wing that, yeah, it's kind of small in real life because this aircraft is really small. And here I have the prototype of the probe, and as you can see, you can move it a lot, you can play with it, you can change the rotation, the inclination. So in real life it's much easier to change the shape of this probe, but just to show you as well, on the program you can open this way, then you can rotate it up this way, then you can move this one. It takes time. With fingers it's much easier. We have the main wings. With here we have the flaps that you can push down like this. Of course we have the prototype here where I can show you as well, and this one can go down and up, as you can see. Let's keep going here with the tail. This one has a ball joint connection, so you can rotate it, and also for the vertical stabilizer here, this one has a moving part on the back that you can rotate right and left this way. We have another peculiarity of this aircraft. The thrusters can rotate and make this peculiar aircraft a VTOL, a vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. The thrusters are one here and one here on the left side, and of course it's the same for the right side. You can change the position this way for one and this way for the other. Obviously you can do the same for the other side. Here we can keep the landing gear down, while this one can be pushed up this way, because here we have the flight configuration and here the landing configuration, I think. When we are in the vertical configuration, we have some air brakes that you can open. One is here and one is here on the rear. So we have this little air brake here on the front and this larger air brake on the rear. This is the complete vertical configuration, while for the air configuration we need to retract the landing gears. First you have to make a little bit of space, pushing the landing gear back. Then you can open the hatches, one here and one here. Once they are open, you can simply push the landing gear inside like this. See? Perfect. And close them again. Now this one is closed. Then we can close the front air brake as well, and it's pretty nice like this. While for the back landing gear, same thing. Here you can see we have two hatches again that you can open. First one here, then the second, and then you can push this one inside. And now guess what? Let's close everything. First you close this one, then the second, and finally the last air brake, the back one, like this. Now everything is closed and we have it in the flight configuration. If we go back here again, we have the dark gray configuration with the standard weapons I choose before, where we have sidewinders, missiles, two fuel tanks and some drop bombs. And here, before concluding the video, you can see them together, two different colors, two different noses, without weapons, with weapons. You can choose the configuration you like most. This one without weapons, you can even remove the pylons. Maybe this way it looks nicer for some of you. You can choose the configuration and the color you like most. And that's it, the review of the Harrier finish here. I hope you enjoyed this mock. If yes, remember again to leave a thumbs up, that it's always appreciated appreciated, and check the caption of the video for all the links you may need. And also for today, the review is finished. See you again next time in a new video. Bye!